tricks to getting the tiles to come off a little easier is scoring the grout. If I'm able to get in here and just make a nice groove between all the tiles, then they're not connected as one piece. If they're connected as one piece, they have more surface area to adhere to, and they tend to rip up more of an area when you try to pry them off. If you separate them, then they pop off a little easier individually. And now, it's just science. Why is removing all the grout helpful to preserve the sheetrock behind? If we just have an individual tile attached to the wall with some adhesive force, we can get a chisel edge scraper underneath the tile, break up some of the adhesive, and then with a hammer use a little bit of torque and just pop the tile off. It preserves most of the sheetrock behind because there's not as much adhesive force holding that individual tile against the wall. Now if we have a series of tiles connected with grout in between, it forms a pretty solid bond between the tiles. If we get under one of the tiles and clear out the adhesive with the hammer and the chisel, that individual tile is still connected to the other tiles. Grout bond doesn't break easily. With the scraper, we apply that upward torque to the one tile. It's connected to the other tiles, but the other tiles don't want to separate because they have too much adhesive force. And remember, this is a two-dimensional drawing, and the grout actually goes around all sides of the tile. At this point, the human instinct is to apply more force, more torque, to try to get that tile off the wall. If the other tiles aren't giving, the grout's holding strong, there's two options. Either the tile cracks, or the very brittle sheetrock behind breaks and crumbles due to the force and torque. This often leads to a huge chunk of sheetrock being pulled off the wall from behind the tile. The lesson here, if trying to preserve sheetrock while removing tile, always remove the grout first.
Hands for Hire is a mobile app connecting neighbors ready to lend a hand with neighbors who need a hand. Download now in the App Store or on Google Play. Visit us at handsforhire.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.